morning, guys. It's me, Kate Winchester here, and here is my... Oh my god!
We caught you guys. Wait.
I caught you before you guys broke. Okay, but... This is like my second video attempt. This is my third video attempt because of this damn tripod. I cannot...
What kind of video attempt? 3?
Yeah, it's number 3. Because of this goddamn tripod.
How about you just
falling, okay, and not wanting to do its job. Okay, wait. Yes, okay, it's a little crooked, but okay, good. Okay, this is my little brother named Ben, and here we are going to do a video of a scary ringtone reenactment. Oh my god.
Hold it.
You know what? No, I'm not gonna hold it because we have to stand it up so we can. Okay, just don't touch it.
Okay. We're not gonna start over for you guys because we want to get it done.
Yes, we want to get it done. So let's just do the
scary piano.
Yes. Okay.
Skip that one.
I think can they tell how irritated we are or something? Okay, the Wi-Fi's out. We're out of cookies.
Okay. Boys. Stop it!
Wolf boy.
Wolf boy. I'm a crooster.
He's a crooster, everybody.
Okay, we're screaming now. Okay. A train kill.
You're dead.
Okay.
Wait, can I be driving the train? Hold on, I'm gonna be driving the train and then I'll just kill you.
Hey, you did. I had to do Okay, start over.
Okay, do the scream. Okay.
When I scream, you don't run me over.
Here, let's just. Okay, I'll just push you or something. Okay.
Okay.
He's dead. I didn't do it. I wish I knew how to edit. Oh my
child
god.
Screaming. That was a weird scream, my friend.
Shh.
Don't
fall off the bed.
Okay, Squad, you could.
Oh wait.
What's cracking?
Hold on, let me out. Do it.
Let me out.
No, we have to just go. Do it again. I'll be the creepy person. Okay, this is a good acting.
No,
exercise.
I do let me in. Because you didn't let me out.
No, we don't have to do let me out over again because you didn't let me do it. So then we can do let me in with you.
Let me in.
No. Let me in. My face is gone. I'm dead.
Okay.
Clock strike. It's high noon.
Wait,
we're not turning the light
no,
off.
No, it was a good.
Oh wait. Turn the light back on, please.
I can't see.
Are you serious? I'm terrified of the dark. We cannot do that. I'm not terrified of the dark. Who said I'm terrified of the dark? I just wanted you guys to see me better. Oh,
what the heck? I do it.
Actually, like,
good. Scary ringer. Okay, let's do chainsaw. This is.
Oh, you have a cavity?
No. This won't hurt.
Just lay there and be a brave little champion, okay? You don't like Jacksepticeye? You don't like Jacksepticeye?
Okay. I'm naked.
You're supposed to let me do it. Okay, let me do it.
Okay.
I'm naked. Okay, let's do... I'm naked. And so should you.
Ew.
Oh my god, I forgot that I had a 6-year-old.
Okay.
No, no, no. Do not take your clothes off, please. This is a family show. This is a family show. We're not doing that. Oh.
What the frick?
We ran. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm sorry, Amberlee.
Scary, bro.
Hold on. I'm sorry, Amberlee. We ran out of the cookies.
Scary gone bells. Wait, which one? Wait. What the fuck? Sorry. Let's go. Okay, scary things. Okay, now
Okay,
we'll
do like 3 more, okay?
No, we have to do all of them.
No, we're gonna do 3 because I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Scary scent ring.
Scary sing. It's scary going bells.
Scary going bells. Six. It's at 6. So. So
Scary grunts.
Terror scream. Terror. Okay, that was not terror scream. Demon laughter. You don't do it, and I don't do it.
I'll do it.
No. Creaky door. Creaky door.
How do people do that?
Creaky door. I'm naked.
I heard you liked Jacksepticeye. So do I. Let's be friends.
No. How about you say?
No, because we already did that.
What?
I'm naked.
Okay.
He wanted me to say it, okay?
Haunted. Okay, witch.
Okay, I'm a witch. Too many cackling.
Help me, Moo. Help me. No, I say help me. Okay.
The new one. Wait, hold on, do it again. Wait, it's called screaming notification. Do it again.
What?
You have a text message.
Hey, stop it.
You have a text message.
Okay, bell tolling. Okay. Okay. Scary mommy. Scary mommy.
Hold on, do it again. Oh, mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Try scary.
Hello, mommy.
It's done.
I know, but still, hold on. Hello, mommy. I just want you to hold me. That was actually pretty good. Oh my God.
Hey, Amberlee.
I play such a good demon.
That was kind of scary. That's like the scariest one in all of them. But we didn't watch all of them. It's like kind of buffer. It's kind of buffer.
Okay, it's the one. It's scary.
Scary combo. Scary combo.
What's that one?
I fell again.
Oh.
Papa. Papa, help me.
Papa ain't here anymore, kid. end the video here, okay, because I don't know how long this video is going to take. So, I love you guys. I'll see you on the next hunt. Stay body positive, okay? Wait,
more.
say goodbye to... Wait, which one are we doing?
Scary Bang.
Oh, no! I don't know what to do for that one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little brother here, because he is so cute. He's such a cutie.
Ew. Okay.
I'm going to eat your hair.
Ew.
I don't know why I did that. I love you guys. See you on the next hunt. Stay body positive. Okay?
I'm gonna eat your
Kate Winchester route. I almost kissed you. I almost kicked you, dude. You gotta be careful.
Bye, guys.
Kate, wait, hold on. Kate Winchester out. Hasta la bye-bye.
Hasta la